How to insert or embed YouTube videos to Canva. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can insert or even embed the YouTube videos to your Canva design. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are basically two ways on how you can do this. First of all, load the canva.com website and then load your design, right? On the left hand side, you have to just go to the option called apps. Just like this, you can find the option called apps, right? Once you go to apps, just scroll down and under discover content from or import your media, you'll find a button that says embed. So this is the first way to do it. You can just click on the embed button. It'll ask you to simply paste the web link here. So basically what you want to do is simply paste the video link that you want to actually paste it into Canva. So just open the video, copy the link from the top URL address bar, right click, click on copy, come over here to Canva, right click, click on paste, and then click on add to design, and the video will be automatically added to your design, as you can see over here. Now this is one of the first ways to do it, right? The other way is, let's say, however, like you are on this page. Let me just come back to apps again, and then at the very top again you'll find popular, and then here you'll find YouTube. Now in case you don't find it, again you can scroll down to discover content from, and then you can select YouTube. Once you select YouTube, it will just take you to a page directly where you can simply select one of the videos, or you can even use the search box in order to search for videos inside of YouTube. If I just select a specific YouTube over here, you can see the video will be automatically added to my Canva design. If I want though, I can even go ahead and actually play the video or do whatever else that I wish. And that is it for this video on how you can embed or insert YouTube videos to Canva. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.